You've got a stove, a gas flame at the push of a button, sharp knives, pots, timers. 300,000 years ago, humans had literally none of it, and they still figured out how to cook. What they did instead sounds impossible. No stove, no knives, no pots, just fire, stone, and whatever they could invent with their bare hands. And somehow, that's still the foundation of every meal you've ever eaten. If you enjoy these type of videos, hit subscribe and like this video, because what's coming next genuinely sounds made up. First problem, this fire wasn't something they could make on demand. For most of human history, they couldn't start one at all. For a massive stretch of our history, fire wasn't created, it was stolen. Stolen from wildfires sparked by lightning, then carried and fed non-stop, because there was no backup. Let that flame die, and there was no lighter, no match, nothing, just a long, dangerous walk to find another fire burning somewhere else in the wild. That should have made fire nearly impossible to rely on. But archaeologists dug into a site in the Middle East and found something that changes the entire timeline of when humans stopped gambling on luck. Buried in that ash was proof of a fire rebuilt in the exact same spot, over and over, for generations, not a lucky accident, but a habit. Scattered around it were burnt, butchered animal bones. This wasn't a fire for warmth. This was a fire built on purpose, specifically to cook meat, roughly 300,000 years ago, meaning cooking is older than most of what you'd consider human history. So they finally had reliable fire. But with zero metal, zero pots, and zero pans, actually turning that fire into a cooked meal took some genuinely wild workarounds. The easy method was direct roasting meat shoved straight onto hot coals, or skewered and slowly turned over the flame. But they also pulled off something that sounds almost impossible, boiling water with no pot in existence anywhere on Earth. They heated rocks in the fire until they were glowing, then dropped those red-hot stones straight into a pouch made of animal skin, filled with water. The stones alone were hot enough to bring that water to a full boil, roasting, boiling with rocks. But for food that needed slow, even cooking, they invented something you've probably eaten from without even realizing how old it is. It's an earth oven, a pit dug into the ground, lined with hot stones, packed with food wrapped in leaves, then sealed under dirt to trap the heat for hours. It's the exact same principle behind a modern barbecue pit, or a slow-roasted luau feast, invented tens of thousands of years before anyone had a word for oven. And it still works exactly the same way today. No stove, no knives, no pots, and somehow they invented the direct ancestor of grilling, boiling, and slow roasting, using nothing but fire, stone, and animal skin. Every time you turn on your oven, you're using an idea that's at least 300,000 years old. If you want the next part of this story, how humans went from earth ovens to actual cookware, that's coming next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.